Model, 69 plate Nissan NV400 Master L2H2 3302, 3DCI 130 PS Chez Fridge Van No VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 222895. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-130 E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drives brilliantly. Very well maintained vehicle. No warning lights on the dash. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, fully working fridge unit, gets down to temperature very quickly. Grin. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999